नेगेटिव थॉट्स हम सबकी लाइफ का एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट होते हैं। वी ऑल हैव नेगेटिव थॉट्स इन एवरी सिंगल फेज ऑफ आवर लाइफ। कुछ लोगों के लिए उसे हैंडल करना इजी होता है और कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग और एग्जॉस्टिंग। वेल, इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम जिनके लिए नेगेटिव थॉट्स को हैंडल करना, उनसे बाहर निकलना इज़ रियली अ बिग टास्क एंड यू रियली डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, देन दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, क्योंकि आई विल शेयर विद यू 2 स्टेप्स और 2 टिप्स दैट विल रियली गाइड यू कि आप अपने माइंड को बिना कंट्रोल किए हुए अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स से बाहर निकल सके, उस लूप को तोड़ सके, एंड यू कैन लिव अ हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ दैट यू रियली डिजर्व एंड दैट यू ट्रूली डिजायर। हे देयर, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। माय नेम इज़ जसलीन और आज का ये वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत अलग है, बिकॉज जो 2 टिप्स मैं शेयर करूँगी, स्पेशली द फर्स्ट वन, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफरेंट जो भी अभी तक आपने सुना होगा। एंड येस, कंट्रोलिंग योर माइंड एज आई सेड इन द इंट्रो इज़ रियली नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। मेरा सिर्फ एक इंटेंशन है दैट टू द एक्सटेंट टू विच इट हैज़ हेल्प्ड मी गेट आउट ऑफ माई ओन नेगेटिव थॉट पैटर्न्स, सो दैट आई कैन रियली सी थिंग्स फॉर what they are and handle my fear, my anxiety, the overwhelmment in a much better way without blaming myself, sabotaging myself, judging myself. The same effect it has on you because it is a really beautiful tip and I really hope it is going to help you. So please do listen with open mindedness, क्योंकि अलग चीज़ है, पहली बार सुनोगे आप तो हो सकता है थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंस आए, but again be open to new things and give this thing a try at least for one single time. और जो second tip है, it is going to build up more on the first. If you try both of these together, very powerful process in itself. If you won't try any of these, I would say, but both are really magical things, very beautiful tips, and they are really going to help you to really thrive and shine in your life, even if you have those negative thoughts inside of you. So I really hope this video is going to help you. Watch it till the end, take what resonates with you, and I hope it helps you. Before sharing the tips, I have a little small question for you. What would you do अगर एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा बच्चा है जो आप ही हो and that child is very angry, उसे अभी अभी कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है that he feels betrayed, he feels disappointed, he feels rejected, he is fearful, he is anxious, he doesn't know what to do. कैसे डील करोगे आप उस बच्चे के साथ अगर वो आप ही हो तो? वुड यू स्कोल्ड हिम? वुड यू ट्राई टू पुश हिम अवे? वुड यू से कि जाओ यहाँ से, जाओ, तुम बुरे हो, यू विल नॉट लेट मी मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग, यू विल नॉट लेट मी हैव अ हेल्दी बॉडी, यू विल नॉट लेट मी हैव द लाइफ ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स? Can you do that? If you have a child, ask yourself this, and if you do not, ask yourself कि क्या, if you are that little child, would you like to hear all of that? Will it really help you? I don't think so. That is what our mind becomes when it is consistently trying to save us, consistently trying to protect us, consistently trying to warn us of the dangers that can happen in the future. It gives so-called negative, bad, worrisome, anxious thoughts. And उनका सिर्फ एक मोटिव होता है, to protect you from the hazards of future. And we hearing the word negative, hearing the word worry, hearing the word anxiety, we try to push them away कि जाओ यहाँ से, जाओ, मुझे तुम नहीं चाहिए. But as the saying goes, what you resist persists. और जिस चीज़ को आप जितना पुश करते हैं वो उतना ही आपकी तरफ आती है. So I don't think this tactic or this technique works for anybody in the world because कुछ लेवल तक आप उसे पुश करते करते आगे चले जाओगे, but at some time it will rebound on you and you will be bombarded by those thoughts through a situation or through something. If you get easily triggered, that is the reason. So how do you deal with it? The first step, view your thoughts with lots of compassion. आपके वो thoughts आपके सबसे बड़े दुश्मन नहीं, आपके सबसे बड़े प्रोटेक्टर्स हैं. दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू वॉर्न यू ऑफ द हैज़ार्ड्स इन फ्यूचर. अब ये है कि वो थॉट्स बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक होते हैं, लाइक यू माइट लूज योर जॉब और यू माइट फेल और दैट partner would leave you or whatsoever it can be, right? But it is just a story that it keeps repeating in your head कि यार ये हो गया तो, ये हो गया तो, ये हो गया तो. And you can do 2 things. You can either push it away or you can either believe in it. दोनों चीज़ें हेल्प नहीं करती. Try this. Say it, I love you. Every time it comes and says you कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा, say it, I love you. Try this. It seems कि यार इससे क्या हो जाएगा, but इससे सब कुछ हो सकता है. You can find out what is it actually trying to protect you from. If you want to do that deep inner work that is actually required, try asking your thoughts, what are you really protecting me from? Because as I said, वो thoughts एक protection mechanism ही है. Your fear wants safety, your doubt wants trust, your anxiety wants peace, your overwhelmment wants organized things, going in flow, being at ease. Every single so-called negative emotion has a positive side that is craving to come out, that it is trying to seek your attention. But do we give it attention? We try to push it away. Do we ever talk to ourselves or our thoughts in a very kind and compassionate way? No, we try to push them away. ये खराब है, इसे भगाओ. And it never works. So please, just for once, every single worry, every single anxiety, every single fear, every single doubt you have that makes you unstable, that makes you anxious, that makes you frustrated, angry, overwhelmed, disappointed, anything, just say to it, I really love you. Because at the end of the day, it is a part of you. और आप अपने ही एक part को अगर ये बोलोगे that go away from me, you are bad, do you really think you can be at peace? No. So this is one thing that has really helped me to deal with a very, many of my strong fears that in the past would give me a state of panic. I would believe them कि हाँ यही होने वाला है, and I could not get out of it, and I couldn't see what's in front of me. I couldn't see the situation for what it is. But once I really started understanding कि यार ये thoughts मेरे हैं and they are only trying to guide and protect that little child in me जो डर गई है, जो safe रहना चाहती है, and she just needs love, she just needs compassion, she just needs to hear कि यार सब ठीक हो जाएगा, God is there, you will find a way, you have done so many things in your life, you will do them further as well, रास्ता मिल जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा. And it's not just our thoughts, many people influence us. कहीं से हम कुछ बातें सुन लेते हैं, कुछ लोग कुछ ऐसा कह देते हैं that we feel like यार what is going to happen. On that time also, please be very compassionate and kind with yourself and with your mind and with your thoughts, because again and again and again I would say they are just there to protect you and keep you safe. That is what their job is. That is what your mind's job is. View them with as much compassion and love as you would give to a little pet of yours or a little child if you had one or if you have one. You deserve it, your mind deserves it, and your thoughts deserve it too. And you will see the difference कि आप कितने calm हो जाते हो if you just say to it, I love you. You're mine, I love you. It's okay, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चिंता मत कर, I will find a way. Try talking to them like this. Try understanding what they really mean to you. If you are comfortable, you will see the difference in your life, in your state of being, and in your mental health. I'm sure about that. The second step or the tip is really going to help you if you follow it. ये एक add-on है, and that is building your trust back in life. We fear future. We dread future, uncertainty, what's going to happen. We become anxious, we get panic attacks, we get fearful. We don't know what's going to happen. Am I doing enough? Am I enough? मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ? किस लिए हुआ? So to get out of this loop, जहाँ पे आप अपने thoughts से बाहर आना चाहते हो and you really want to live your life comfortably and peacefully, it is very important to have a very strong trust in something bigger than you which you know is in your favor. अब कई लोगों के लिए ये थोड़ा सा contradictory है, and I am very okay, I'll say it, that we feel like what if God is not on our side? Many of us have this fear. अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या पता God is not on my side. What if God is punishing me with this? Many of us have this bogus fear, I would say. बहुत सारे reasons की वजह से ये होता है. And to really get out of it and to build that trust in your life back, you have to remind yourself उन सारी छोटी situations या बड़ी situations जहाँ से you were supported in some small or big way that helped you get through the hardest times of your lives. If I talk about me, when I had joined this last year, there were so many small and big synchronicities that happened during that whole period of 4 to 5 months when I was suffering badly through it, जिससे मुझे ये पता चला यार my body is not that weak. if it can heal a virus जिसका कोई treatment नहीं है, how powerful it is. And after recovering from jaundice, मुझे stomach में बहुत ज़्यादा जलन होने लगी थी. And you know, I had done endoscopy हो चुकी थी मेरी. I visited a doctor, took the medicines. कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा था. Nothing was working, and I was like, यार ये क्यों हो रहा है? But today I am healthy, eating what I like to eat, completely recovered from it, thriving in my own way. Not only that, you know, when I was in the hospital, the doctors were very nice, the nurses were very kind and caring, and after coming back home, चीज़ें अपने आप अरेंज हो रही थी for who would come and visit, कौन सी मेडिसिन कब मिलनी चाहिए, कौन सी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, अगर ये वर्क नहीं कर रही है तो किसी और का अरेंजमेंट, कोई आके कोई और सजेशन दे रहा है, दैट वुड ओपन अनदर डोर फॉर मी. मेनी सिंक्रोनिसिटीज़. चाहे वो जब जॉन्डिस होता है तो यू वुड हैव हर्ड कि झाड़ना पड़ता है सो दैट आपका वो जो पूरा पीलिया होता है वो निकल सके. तो उसके लिए आई वॉज ब्लेस्ड टू फाइंड पीपल हु वुड कम होम एंड डू दैट फॉर मी. एंड बिकॉज आई वॉज रियली नॉट इन अ कंडीशन कि मैं चल के जा सकूँ उनके पास. देन after that, the right doctors coming in, very kind doctors coming in, very kind gestures from people, so much care, so much love, so many arrangements, getting the perfect room in the hospital, every single thing was arranged for me. आपके लिए सुनने में ये लग रहा होगा कि यार ये तो नॉर्मल है, मेरे लिए नहीं था. I know what I was going through in that condition, and these small things really, it built my trust so strongly. Now when I look back, it was a blessing for me. It really led me to a path जिसके लिए I'm very grateful कि वो हुआ, and I got to know what I got to know. So yeah, coming back to the point, there are many things that happen for us. It's as simple as you have ordered something, okay, and you are not there to receive it, and someone else on your behalf takes it, and the delivery does not get cancelled, and you were very excited for that product and you really wanted to eat it, and someone on your behalf received it for you. Or you wanted your favorite coffee and you just have a friend telling you कि चलो यार कॉफ़ी पीने चलते हैं. और you wish कि यार मौसम अच्छा हो जाए और मैं ड्राइव पे जाऊँ, and मौसम शाम को अच्छा हो जाता है और आप ड्राइव पे चले जाते हो और एक प्यारी सी ब्राउनी खा के आते हो. और there are just so many things. The friend you thinking about calls you and you have a really nice talk with them and they tell you कि यार उनकी लाइफ में क्या कुछ चल रहा है, what they have faced, and you realize कि मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ इसमें. That is in itself a form of support from life. Life is always trying to support you. God is always trying to help you. You have to start building your own ट्रस्ट रूटीन. एंड ये आप तभी कर सकते हो जब आप खुद को उन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का याद दिलाओगे जो आपके लाइफ डे टू डे लाइफ में होती है. इट कैन बी एज सिंपल एज यू वांटेड टू वेयर समथिंग ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे, इट वाज इन द लॉन्ड्री एंड इट केम बैक जस्ट ऑन टाइम एंड यू वर एबल टू वेयर इट व्हेन यू वांटेड टू. इट इज़ एज सिंपल एज दैट. और यू वांटेड टू हैव अ meal, a specific thing, and it was out of stock from online, from the restaurant or any such thing, and you find it someday and you get it. Or you wanted to eat a choco lava cake but you didn't want to pay that much, and you get a delicious choco lava cake from another restaurant at a lower price, and that too with the coupon applying. ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो if you really notice, they can really make you believe कि यार how beautiful and magical life can be. And yes, you have to work on it. Yes, you have to see through life कि where you have been really supported in the most difficult times of yours. बहुत सारे स्वीट एंजल्स आते हैं हमारे पास, लोगों के फॉर्म में, साइंस के फॉर्म में, वीडियोस के फॉर्म में. एग्जाम्पल के लिए यू आर अबाउट टू गिव अप ऑन योर ड्रीम एंड यू जस्ट हेयर somebody that how they struggled and they got to where they wanted to be, and now they are living their dream, and that gave you the motivation. That is the support that life has for you. So start looking for it and start building that trust. और कुछ भी नहीं है ना, तो the basic thing is you are breathing right now. It means you are alive. It means इतनी ब्रेथ है आपके पास कि आप जी रहे हो. That in itself is a miracle which we just over or ignore. Sun is coming up and Earth is in its orbit still. किसी planet से जाके टकरा नहीं रही है. The comets and meteors are way away from our planet and we are always kept safe. There is, sun coming up every single day. And yes, there are things happening in the world. I would not say कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. There are things happening in the world, but it is not in our control. We can just pray and wish all the well for everybody. And I really hope that it just, gets better and people really understand कि how loving it can be here. But till then, you can make your life better, right? You cannot get sick enough for sick people to get well. Abraham Hicks quote. So try building that trust in your life back. Try bringing that trust in yourself back. When you have got through the most difficult times of your life and you are standing here and watching this video or watching other things, and you will realize how much supported and provided for you really are in your life. And उसके बाद जब वो uncertainty और वो panic और वो fear आता है ना, you can say this to it कि bro, I have been supported. Bro, this really worked out for me. Listen, it's not that bad. Life is not that bad. It's not that uncertain. People are taken care of. There are many who are doing well. We can do it too. हाँ, obstacles हैं, हाँ, problems हैं, but we can find a way क्योंकि मुझे पहले भी मिला है and God has my back. Universe has my back. Life has my back. I am supported and provided for. I am always taken care of. I am blessed beyond my fondest dreams. These are some affirmations that can really give you that trust back in yourself and in your life, and they're really, really going to help you if you are genuinely trying to get a life that is peaceful, that is loving, that is joyful, that is what you want it to be, that is fulfilling. Please try doing these 2 steps, incorporate them in your day-to-day life, every single moment of your day. Whenever you face a negative thought or a negative, worrisome thought, say it. I love you. You are a part of me and I know you are trying to protect me. I really love you. We'll find a way. It's okay, bro. It's okay, buddy. We'll find a way. And then trusting life, bringing that trust back, building that trust back, and you will see your life turn around. You will see yourself, your state of being. जिन चीज़ों से पहले डर लगता था अब नहीं लगेगा. जिन चीज़ों पे पहले ट्रिगर हो जाते थे नहीं होगे. जिन चीज़ों से वरीसम हो जाते थे अब हंसोगे कि यार it will be taken care of. What am I worrying about? So these little things really make a big difference in your life if you just start implementing them and become committed to do it, to change yourself, to change your own state of mind, and rather than trying to push everything away, accept it with compassion and see the magic compassion can alone do for you. In dealing with that negative mindset, in changing that mindset and becoming more positive, more loving towards yourself, towards others, and seeing the beauty that world has along with the chaos, and also you can be more generous and more, open to the solutions that we can contribute to bring more peace back in the world. So I really hope कि ये 2 tips आपकी help करेंगी. They really are very simple yet very powerful. So do give them a try and see the magic they do for you. This was all I wanted to share for this video. I really hope it helped you. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. आप मेरे इंस्टा पेज को चेक कर सकते हैं, हैंडल स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक मिल जाएगा. मेरे पिछले वीडियोस को भी चेक कर सकते हैं कार्ड्स के थ्रू, या डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. आई रियली होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आई रियली होप कि ये वीडियो देखने के बाद नेगेटिव थॉट से बाहर निकलना इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching and remember, you deserve the world.